Welcome back, guys. So right now, I want to create web pages here on WordPress, and what we are going to do is we're going to use this pages menu to create web pages. Let's do that right away. So I'm going to click on pages, and having to click on pages, it brings me to these all pages and add new page. So I'll click on add new page. I'll click on add new page right now, and I'll be able to add a new page right now. So the first page I want to add is like an home page, something like an home page. But before we proceed, we could see that it seems there are some pages that has been created by the team's default. So let's check that out first. So I'll come to pages and I'll click on all pages to see all pages we have. Oh, there's an home page right now, but I could still go ahead to delete a page I don't want. So I'll use this. I'll click on that to select whatever I want to. If I want to select all, that's what I'll click on. But I want to delete this very page, so I'll click on this to delete this very page. Then I'll use the bulk action to delete the page. So let's do that right away. So I'm going to click on the privacy policy, and I'm going to use the bulk action. I'm going to choose the move to trash. Then I'm going to move that page to trash just to delete it. So I'm going to apply that, and I'll click on apply, and that should be deleted. So what I have to do is to click on privacy policy, and I'll say move to trash, then I'll apply, then it gets deleted that way. So we only have a front page right now, and we could easily see what the front page looks like. Right here we have the edit, we have the edit right here, we have edit, we have the edit right here, and we have quick edit, we have trash, we have view. So I could view what the page looks like right now. So let me view that, and I'm going to view what the page looks like. So this is what the home page looks like right now, which could be edited. This is what it looks like right now, but we're going to edit it later on. So I could still go on to say edit page, but I'm not editing it right now. The first thing I want to do is I want to create more pages. So I'll show you how to create pages. So I'll use this create add new page button. I'll use that button to create a new page right now. So I'll create an about us page, and I'll write add new page, then I'll create an about us page. So here we have an about us, yes. So this will be about us, that will be the name of the page. Then I'm going to have that published, yes, and that will be published. So that's how to create a page. So this page has been created as well. So we have home page, we have about us, and we will click on add new page again. This add new page, we'll click on it again to create more pages. So I'm going to add a new page. Then I would say services, yes. So the page we have services, and I'm going to have that publish. I'm going to use the publish button. Look at the publish button right here. This is the publish button right here. So I'm going to click on publish right there. So I'm going to publish that. So I have services. Then I'll go ahead to create a blog page. So this will be 4 pages we'll work on in this course. So I'll go back right now. So I'll go back right now to create the last page. The last page I'll be creating will be a blog page. So I'll click on add new page, then I'll create a blog page right now and have it published. So let me create a blog page. I'll create blog page, then I'll have it published right now. I'll use the publish button to publish that, and this way we've created our web pages. The next thing we have to do is to start designing them. So right now we have 4 pages to work on. We have the home page, we have the blog page, we have the about us page, and we have the services page. I hope to see you in the next lesson. See you there.